See here, now we will show you how to use the 3-in-1 and 2-in-1 machine setup to refurbish iPhone 6 LCD. The first step, we will put the LCD on the hot plate of the 3-in-1 machine and do manual LCD separation. See, this machine it will get connected with one vacuum pump, so the screen it can get stuck on the hot plate very tightly. And the temperature for LCD separation it is 80 degrees. You can see the setup here. At the right side, it is 80. And this 3-in-1 machine has 3 functions together. The first one is manual LCD separator, and the second one is glue remover. And the third one is for base frame lamination. That function it is only needed for iPhone. For other phones, it is not necessary. And then, while you take out the LCD, make sure it is get it out clockwise direction so it won't break the LCD. See, it is separated. And then put the rubber on hot plate and do the second operation. It is glue removal. Because for iPhone 6, the screen it is much larger than iPhone 4 and iPhone 5, and also very thin. So it is better to remove the glue by 2 parts. So in this way, it can protect the LCD. This is a more safer way to do it. See, and usually for iPhone 6, we will remove the glue together with polarizer film. See, the polarizer film it is removed as well. Okay. And then another side. Okay, fine. After removing the glue, glue and polarizer film, you will find that there is still some glue on the LCD. Then you will need to use the liquid to clean the rest of the glue. And then we will use the new polarizer film to place on the LCD. And usually the polarizer film only have one side which has sticker, so we have to use that side to place on the LCD. And this machine, you have to do alignment for the polarizer or the OC film with the LCD. Make sure it matches with each other. And during this process, you have to make sure that there is no bubbles after you place the OC film and the polarizer film on LCD. It is very important. And then the opal film. And this machine, it is get connected with one vacuum pump as well. So the LCD and also the film can get stuck. Get stuck very tightly. Okay. You can see that there is no bounce. And then we will use a mold to do alignment for the new glass with the LCD. And you can use the metal mold, which is more it is more accurate than the plastic one. And for all the material part for LCD refurbish, we supply all that part as well, like the front panel glass, the OCA film, polarizer film, bezel frame, etc. Okay, while you put the glass on the LCD, do not press it. Do not press the LCD to do not press the glass to the LCD, otherwise it may get stuck together. Yeah, just put the LCD glass on the LCD and then take it out will be fine. Do not press it. Okay, then put it in the 2-in-1 machine. And make sure that these 4 screws are tightened. This 2-in-1 machine has 2 functions together. The first one is also a vacuum laminator. The other one is bubble remover. And this machine, it will connect with one vacuum pump and also one air compressor. You can see here, this blue hose, it is for vacuum pump, and this it is for air compressor. And here it is the power for the vacuum pump, and here is the power button. And let's see here, the lamination pressure, usually it is between 2 and 4. So 3 it is fine. And here it is debubble pressure, usually it is 6. And here it is vacuum degree. This will controlled by the vacuum pump directly. Usually it is up to 0.1. And here it is start button, and this is vacuum extraction time, it is 1 minute, and here lamination time is 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, this machine will start to do lamination, and after lamination it is finished. Here the time will start to work. That means the machine it is in debubble process, and here it is the temperature 40 degrees usually. The time you can adjust by yourself, depends on the screen size. Usually it is between 6 to 10 minutes, so it depends. Okay, see. Click start button. The vacuum pump will start to work. See here. Around 1 minute, the vacuum pump will stop working. And then it runs to the second operation, that is lamination. Let's see. And for the detailed settings, you can come to our user manual. We have the complete user manual in English version, so you can read it very carefully. Okay, so see now the vacuum pump is stop working now, and here the lamination time it starts to work. You see the light, it is bright, and for 15 seconds then it will start to do bubble removal. See here, now this begins to work now. That means the machine is to do bubble removal now, and for around 8 minutes then we will see the result. Okay, now the 8 minutes it is passed now. You will see that here it is becomes 8, and here these two buttons are both light now, and here make sure that the pressure it goes to 0, and then you can open the door and you can click it. See. And then take out. See. Okay, you can see that there is no bubbles at all, just like the new one.
可以了。
Okay. And the last step, it is using this 3-in-1 machine to do base frame lamination, the same process with iPhone 5. And you can see that here, this iPhone 5, 5S, 6, 6 Plus, and Samsung Note 2, and also Mega. This all refurbished by this machine, so it fit for no matter small size or large size. It is okay. Under 11 inch, it is fine.